Alright guys, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do any kind of 3D logo mockup. Yes, 3D logo mockup. Let me show you what a mockup is. Okay, things like this is called 3D logo mockup. So I'll be showing you how to do it within 5 or 10 minutes. You are done with it. So these are 3D logo mockup. I'll be showing you how to do it right now. Let's get started. Here is another one also. Now, the first thing you will do is to design your logo. Yes, that's the first thing. So in this video, I'll be designing a logo for a CCTV company. I've just designed a logo for a CCTV company. So any logo you want to design, first of all, you have to design the logo. Then after designing the logo, you can now go for the mock-up. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to Pinterest now. This application here is Pinterest. I normally use it to download resources for my designs. So anything I need, like anything I need for my design, I normally go here to download it. So if you don't have the application, go to Google Play Store and download the application now. It's Pinterest. Now when you download it, you also download this one. This is PinTake. Now in a separate video, I'll be showing you how to use this app, these two applications. So let's get started. Now I'll be searching for okay guys, in this video I will now search for CCTV. Let me just search for CCTV logo. I'll be searching for CCTV logos for me to get what I want. CCTV logos or logo anyhow. Now here is it. What you will do here is to choose any one you like. Like I can choose this one here or anyone. Let me look for a better one that I will use for this design. Okay, seems like I'll be going with this one. Now I'll have to download it. I've copied the link. Then I'll now go to PinTake, this app here, for me to download this logo. Then continue with the design. Okay, let's wait for it to download. Okay. Okay, the our logo has downloaded now. Let's go now and design a logo. We make use of that logo to complete the design. Now what I want to do here is to first of all change this thing to transparent. I'll click on transparent, or I can equally leave it. Maybe later on I can change it, but let me, since I've changed it already, there's no need going back. Now the next thing I want to do is to bring in that image here. Okay, here is the image. Now I don't like this image because it has a background. So what I want to do is to go and download another one. I don't like this one. Let me go and download another one. Let me delete it. Let me go back to Pinterest. Let me look for another one. I'll be posting this video. When I get it, I'll come back. Okay guys, I have downloaded another image. Let me bring it inside the PixelLab application. Now here is it, and I've also removed the background. Let me change this. Now what I want to do is to just design a simple logo for, let me say this is a CCTV company. I want to design a simple logo. Now the next thing I want to do here is just to derive the name of the company. Let me just use my name. I'm just showing you an example, so whenever you have, something like this to design, you can go ahead and design it. Let me just say, let me use capital letter. Let me just say Chooks Security Systems. Let's assume this is the name of the company that I'm trying to design this for. Now the next thing I want to do is to make it bold, and after that I will derive another name, something like a motto. You understand what I mean by motto? Like your satisfaction is our priority, so something like that. Now I'll go again and write your satisfaction your satisfaction sorry, I'm cutting out this video. Okay, let me write another thing. Okay, let me say trust us with your security systems. Security systems. I want to change the capitalization. Okay, let's say this is the motto of this company. Now let me reduce it a bit. Okay, another design I want to do here is to bring in a shape. Just watch what I'm going to do with this shape. Let me lower this one a bit. Okay, I'll carry it up here. I'll make it to be central. Okay, and I'll bring this one. I'll also make sure it's in the center and bring it down. Okay, now I'll carry this one up. First of all, make sure it's in the center, then I'll carry it up. So this is what you will do when you want to design a logo. You first of all design a simple design in form of that logo, then before you go for the mock-up. Now I have to duplicate that line there. Have to duplicate it. Okay, I'll bring it down and make sure it's also at the center. All right, here we go. If I want to add another thing, let me say, okay, let me add circle. Now this circle, I will edit it. I will increase the outline width and also reduce the opacity. Yes, I will reduce the opacity, and I'll make the outline white so that it will be visible. I'll make it white, then I will reduce it. Now I'll have to reduce, sorry, let me lock this thing so that they won't be moving up and down. Okay, let me leave this one. So I have to position this at the center. No, not here. Make sure it's at the center. Then I have to reduce it so that it will enter inside this circle. I'll bring this circle here and make sure this circle is at the center. Then I'll carry this one inside. Let me also lock the circle so that it won't be moving. I'll carry this one inside and make sure it's aligned very well. It's also at the center. So guys, this is our logo. It's a very simple logo. Now there's not too much thing here. The next thing I want to do here is to merge all of them, to group them. I'll come to this place. If I want to group, I'll go to the layer. Now when I open the layer, I'll come to this place. I'll come to this place and click. The next thing is to select all the images and text. Then click on group here and I'll group them. Then while I love to group them is so that I will know that they are now centralized. I can move them and make sure they are now aligned very well. Now the next thing I want to do is to make this background to be transparent. Is to make it to be transparent. So guys, after designing your logo inside here, what you want to do is just to save it. First of all, you will save it as a project. Let me just save it as logo, as a project, so that maybe some other time you can come back and make use of it. Now saving it as image, you have to click on the default button here, this one here, and make sure it's in ultra. This one here, and make sure it's in ultra. This is the qualities you can save it as. Now let me go back. I want to make sure that this is in ultra. My data is on now. Okay. Alright, here is ultra. Before you can use this ultra, make sure that your data connection is on. So it's now in a very high quality. Now you click on save. I don't want the advert to show, that's why I'm offing my data. Now you click on save. It will now save to your gallery. So our logo is now in our gallery. Let's go to the gallery now and check if truly yes, it is here. Now look at it. This is our logo. Very simple. Now after this, what you want to do is to go to photopea.com. It's an application. Let me show you. Photopea.com. This is a very powerful web application that is used for logo mockup, 3D logo mockup. Photopea.com. PHOTO. Look at it here. It's already up. Photopea.com. This is a web application, so I already have it. I already have the shortcuts on my home screen, so there's no need going straight to the website. Here is the shortcut. So when you visit the website for the first time, it will ask you to create a shortcut, so you can create a shortcut for it. So when I click here now, it's going to take me to that same web application. So let's get started. And when you are trying to do this mockup, make sure that you are not doing any other thing with your phone, especially anything that will take or that will share your data connection, or any app that uses data connection. Make sure the app is not on, because this web application love to work alone with your data connection, and make sure that you have a very good network. So when you come inside here, the first thing you want to do is to click on PSD templates. When you click here, you have to wait so that it will load. It's not something that you will rush. You just have to exercise patience and follow it step by step. Now look at the available logo mockups here. You just have to choose the one you like most. The one you like most. Okay. Let me see the one I can go with. Okay, let me go with this one here. Let me go with this one here. You can choose any one you like. Now when you click on it, the next thing is to also click on it here. Look at it here. Your phone can be in a desktop site or not. You can still make use of this web application. Now you click on it again here. You just have to exercise patience so that it will load. So let's wait. Sometimes it takes time. So let's just wait for it to load. This web application, you can't get it from Play Store. It's not in Play Store. So it's only on the website. This website you can make use of it. So maybe unless in years to come they can now bring it out as an application you can download, but for now it's not an application, it's only a web application. You can make use of it on this website. So let's keep waiting for it to load. Let me pause this video so that I can continue it once it's over. Okay guys, this is our logo. Look at it here. Now the next thing you want to do here now is to click the layer button. Here is the layer button. Now when you click there, the next thing you want to do is to click here. Look at your logo. This is your logo. You just click there. Now when you click there, the next thing is to click on layer. Now not the layer button, here is layer. You click there. The next step is to come to smart objects. When you click on smart object, the next thing you want to do again is to click on open edit content. Now when you click on it, you exercise patience for it to load. So now it is now good to go. The next thing you want to do is to click on files. Look at the files up there. When you click on it, the next thing you want to do is to click on open and place. When you click on open and place, it's going to open your phone files. So you now go ahead and bring in that design that you have done already. Now look at it here. It's the first one here. Look at it here. You just have to click on it. And now when you click on it, you also wait for it to load. Okay, we are good to go. Now the next thing you want to do here is to click on this eye. You see this eye here. You click on it. This is the original logo. Then this one here is our own. So but this one is the one that you off in. That eye is to off it. So I will now click on it and wait. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is now close this layer button. You click here again so that this one will be closed. Now the next thing you want to do, we are already done with our logo, is to click on this place, that 3D glass. Now when you click on it, you exercise patience. Okay guys, I omitted something. That's why I paused the video to be sure of what I'm doing. So when you have, when you have used the open and place, when you have, bring in your design inside this place, the next thing you want to do, like I've said also, is to click here, this I button. Now to off this one, which is their own. Now when you off it, let's wait for it to off. The next thing you want to do is to come back to files. Come back to files and click on save smart objects. When you click on it, you wait for it to load also. So this is why you have to, make sure that your network is very strong and you have enough data. So let's wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, we have saved the smart objects. Now we now close this layer here. Just click there and close it. Now when you close it, the next thing you want to do is to click here. Now when you click there, you just have to exercise a little patience. Alright guys, this is the magic. So look at it. So it's very very smart. So when you use Photopea, you don't need to start aligning it and doing this. Just it's an automatic song. Just follow these simple procedures and you will come into this stage. So the next thing I want to do is to click on files, but this web app is really hanging my phone. Let me pause it and see if I can locate the files. Then when you click on files is here. Maybe in your own phone it will show what is showing here, but just that my network is not strong enough. So files is here. When you click on files, you now go to export. You see export, then you click on export as JPEG. Yes, you click on export as JPEG. Now it will come up at the down here. There's a menu that will come up here. You click on save. You see the blue button there. You click on save. So that is how to save it. Okay guys, my network is really disturbing. So the next thing you want to do, when you click on files, this is the menu that will open. You click on save. Okay, export as. Now when you click on export as, you go to JPEG, JPG. You click on JPEG. This will ask you to save. Alright, you click on save at the down here. Look at it, save that, and that is all you need to do. And you will get your logo downloaded in your gallery. So guys, let's go to our gallery now and see if this logo is already there. So this is why I said earlier, make sure that your network is strong and you have enough data, and before you can use this application, and make sure that other web applications in your your menu is closed, so that all the attention will be channeled to this Photopea. Now let me go to my gallery and check. Okay, look at it here. So guys, this is how to design these logos. As you can see, very bright and attractive. So go now and practicalize it. I know it's somehow confusing, but follow it step by step. You will get it right. So thank you very much guys. See you in the next video.